dynamic system, that is a thermodynamic system. It is defined as that is part of the universe under thermodynamical consideration. A part of the universe under thermodynamical consideration. A part of universe under thermodynamical study or consideration is called as a system, thermodynamic system. Let us consider this is a system. This is a system, thermodynamical system. We say that this is a system, okay, on which the system thermodynamical study is taking place. Means heat and work interaction. The heat is supplied to the system is Qs, and heat is given out from this system is a Qr, and these to be and a certain amount of work is to be again done. That is called as work done. That is this such types of system is called as thermodynamic system. The example, that is IC engine. IC engine is again one types of the example of thermodynamic system. Second, compressor, air compressor. Okay, these are the we say the thermodynamic system, and these systems consist of the heat and work interaction from the system to the surrounding. Then types of thermodynamic system. Types of thermodynamic system. Types of system that is classified as first is that is a open system. Open system. Open system. Open system. Second is a closed system. Closed system. SYSTEM. Closed system. And third one is a isolated system. ISO. Isolated system. Isolated system. Isolated system. Isolated system. Okay. These three system, the question in university examination, that is they asked like this: explain the thermodynamic system. Okay, for that you have to write this all, and we take the next slide, and that we're going to explain. First system is a open system. That is a open system. Open system. In this, say this is a flask containing the heated water. This is flask containing the heated water. That is, it crosses the Q, the mass of this the vapor. This it is a vapor, vaporization stage. When it is heated, then what happens? The heated water, when heat is supplied to the system, this is QS, and this is open. And from this side, this is an insulated wall is provided. There is no heat transfer from this side, or this it may be the transfer of the heat is made from the metal. Then the system is set to the open system when system is set to the weapon system when heat, what I'm saying, heat and mass crosses the boundary, crosses the boundary, then we say that it is a open system. It is a open system. Okay, open system. In open system, what happen? Both the heat and mass crosses the boundary. Heat any Q and mass any M, they are crosses the boundary. They can the heat and mass can be transferred to the surrounding from the system, and such system is called as an open system. Example of open system, that is a tea in a cup. T in a cup is an example of open system. You are very familiar with this phenomena. The T in the cup is an open system. Second system is a closed system. This is a second one is a closed system. Closed system. In this system, for example, the cylinder piston assembly. This is cylinder piston assembly. In this system, this is a piston, movable piston. It can move up and down, and this is air inside this. It is a compressed when it is moved in this direction. It means that in that, due to this friction between the wall of this cylinder and this piston, there will be a generation of the heat, and the some amount of heat when it is compressed, the gas is compressed, then the heat is transferred only to the surrounding air, not a mass. Remember, not mass. The heat is transfer, heat transfer taking place, but not a mass. Then how to define this closed system? A system is said to be closed system when only only heat transfer heat transfer occur. Heat transfer occur. Only heat transfer occur, or heat crosses the boundary, or heat crosses the boundary, crosses the boundary, heat crosses the boundary, then such a system is called as a such a system is called as a that is closed system, closed system. That is, this is a closed system, cylinder system, piston cylinder assembly. Next is the isolated system, isolated system, isolated system. In this isolated system, neither mass. How to define? A system is said to be isolated system when neither mass, neither mass nor heat, neither mass nor heat nor heat crosses the boundary, crosses the boundary, then such a system is called isolated system. Such system is called isolated system. The example of isolated system is a thermos. Next, that is these are the example. This is regarding to the open system, closed system, and isolated system. Thank you.